Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Arithmetic Progression. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is find the sum of the first 25 terms of an AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to 7 minus 3n. Guys, this is one of the most important questions, and this question is from the chapter Arithmetic Progression, and this question came in one of the CBSE board exam in the year 2004. Now let's see how we can do the calculation and find out the first 25 terms, find out the sum of the first 25 terms. Now guys, as per the question, it is given that as per the question, it is given that an is equal to 7 minus 3n. So I can write an is equal to 7 minus 3n. This is what being given. Now let us first of all find out the values for two different values for n, when n is equal to 1 and when n is equal to 25. So you will gradually understand like why I am going to find out the values for n is 1 and when n is 25. So when n is equal to 1, I can write a1 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 1, or that is equal to 7 minus 3, or that is equal to 4. Similarly, when n is equal to 25, I can write a25 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 25 because it is 3 into n, or that is equal to 7 minus 75. Or guys, I can write this one is equal to 7 minus 75, which is nothing but minus 68. So guys, just let us keep in mind our a1 value is 4 and a25 is minus 68. Now guys, in order to find out the sum of the first 25 terms of the arithmetic progression, we need to take the help of the formula like 2sn is equal to n into a1 plus a25. This is the common formula that we use for finding the sum of the values. This is the common formula that we use for finding the sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression, which is like 2sn is equal to n into a1 plus an. Now let us hear what we have. We have n is equal to 25 because we are calculating for the 25th term. So here for us n is equal to 25, a1 is equal to 4 that we extracted above, and a25 is equal to minus 68. This is what we found out above. Now guys, you could understand why I try to find out the values of a1 and a25. Now just I will use these values in the equation 2sn is equal to n into a1 plus sn, and I will try to find out the value for s25. So I can write 2s25 is equal to the value of n here is 25 and a1 is 4 plus minus 68 because the value of an is minus 68. Or I can write 2s25 is equal to 25 into 4 minus 68. Or I can write 2s25 is equal to 25 into minus 64. Or I will just get this 2 from the left side to the right side. s25 is equal to 25 into minus 64 upon 2. Or I can write s25 is equal to, or I can write s25 is equal to 25 minus 32 because 32 into 2 is 64. Or I can write s25 is equal to, so 25 into 32, which is like minus 800. Guys, this is the answer that we are looking for. The sum of the first 25 terms of the given equation of the 25 terms of the given question is minus 800. So we can write therefore Therefore, the sum of the first 25 terms of this the 25 terms of this AP is minus 800. That's all, guys. I hope you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely, I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.